Okay, it's Bill up here in Northern California. We're looking at a Kenmore washer. And so basically, if you lift the lid and you don't hear the click on this particular model, 80 series Kenmore, you don't hear a click down by the lid switch, then the lid switch is probably bad. And so basically you want to make sure your machine's unplugged before you mess with this. And if you don't see anything down here, or you see that it's sunken down, then you probably have a problem with your lid switch. Now this one I've already taken loose. There's two Phillips screws that hold it in place right here. And if you look down here, you might be able to see that the lid switch is actually coming apart. It's like a clamshell design and it's coming apart. And so we can fix this basically. And so basically you need to get some glue and a little bit of wire, maybe a vegetable wire tie, and I'll show you how to do that in 1 second. So once you've taken off the two Phillips screws on each side underneath the fenders, then the console will pull forward and then back like so. And once you've pulled it back, then you'll see the holding tabs right here. Stick a screwdriver in there, down back. I usually set them up here so I know where they're at. Disconnect your lid switch. Pull the tab up. Pull it out. Grab hold of your machine. Pull it back toward you. And then slide it. Okay, so lift the switch. So this switch, you can see that it's come apart. It should be square, flat right here, like that. And so what it'll do, this is a very common problem with these. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to wrap some wire or some tape around it to keep it shut. First put a little bit of glue around it, and then make sure it's nice and tight here. And once you've done that, then the lid switch should be good again. Okay, so what I've done here, basically, I get some goop. E6000 works good too. This is the automotive goop. And so basically I take my knife, get some goop on the end of it, and then kind of frost it in there and on the sides here. Be careful you don't get any on this part here, because this has to move with the door actuator. And then what I'll do is basically, once I've got the goop on the sides and up in here good, then I'll tape it shut with some electrical tape. So thanks again for watching. If you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com. appliance-works.webs.com. So thanks for watching. If you've benefited from this, please send me a donation. It's Bill's Enterprises, P.O. Box 7021, Eureka, California, 95502.